Hi there, this is Lawrence with Excello, and in this quick video, we're just going to run through how to create a new timer. Now, timers can be super beneficial for anyone who's working on projects or tickets or sales, let's say, for example, I'm working on support tickets and I want to keep track accurately of how long it's taking me to complete tickets. I can use timers to give me an accurate understanding of how long it's taking me to work on specific objects in my Excello deployment. So there's a couple of ways to actually create timers. One of the first ways is by utilizing the time button at the top right corner of your deployment. As you notice, when I hover over the time button, I have an option for a new timer. So in this case, I'm just going to click that. And it will give me the ability to create a timer from this little window here. So for example, let's say I'm working on this particular Go Live project and I want to create a timer as I work on this project just so that I can keep track of how long it's taken me to work on this project today. So I click on that button, I get this timers option, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it the Go Live timer. And I'm going to put it against the Go Live project. As you can see in here as well, I can put it against milestones if I'd like. I could also put it against tasks, but in this case, I'm going to do it against the entire project. There's also another option here called the initial time. Let's say that I've been working on this project for 5 hours today for whatever reason. And instead of starting the timer at 0, I maybe want to start my timer at 5 hours so that I can count up from there. So just another option. I'm going to keep it at 0 for now though. So when I'm ready for this timer to start, I can just hit start. Now, once this timer is started, I can just simply minimize it. I can always see it no matter what screen I'm in on this particular project. Let's say I go to a specific milestone, for example. I will always have this timer available, letting me know exactly how long I've been working on this particular project. And if I ever want to go in and do anything with it, I can always just maximize it, and then I have my timer here. Once I'm done working on this project, so let's say I'm finished for the day, or let's say I just want to pause it, I would simply utilize one of my buttons here. So if I want to pause, I can just simply pause it. As you can see, I'm paused at 43 seconds. If I want to continue it, my timer starts back up. If I want to complete it, I can hit the checkbox. And by clicking more options, I can also edit and delete this particular timer. But in this case, let's say I'm done for the day, so I'm just going to hit complete. And what that will do is it will actually bring up a new activity, letting me know, hey, let's complete this officially. So in this case, I'm just going to let my manager know that, hey, I'm done for the day. And when I hit save, this will then create an activity. As you'll notice as well, there's also a timer on any activity that is being created. So I'll show you that in a little bit as well. So let's say, for example, on this particular milestone here, I want to simply add an activity. So if I hit create a note, as soon as I hit create a note and this activity window pops up, I will have a timer that is automatically starting here. If I want to pause this timer, let's say I want to edit it, I want to say 2 hours, then I can edit that time as well. So it makes it super easy. If I want to just simply manually input what the time is, I can do that there. If I just want to let the timer run, I can do that as well. One other way to create a timer off of a specific project, a ticket, or a sale is by utilizing the Start Timer button. So as you can see, I am on this project. In this case, I'm on a milestone in this project called the Kickoff/Discovery. And in this toolbar here under the name, I will have a Start Timer button. By clicking on that button, it will start a timer down here for this particular milestone. So basically a faster way to essentially do what we did earlier. So hopefully that helps, and as always, if you have any questions, be sure to email us at support@excello.com.